Now student, exercise 15.1 question number 3 refer to the example 5 section 14.4 chapter 14. Find the probability that a student of a class was born in August. Now we have not done lesson number 14, but it is asked to find this answer of this question from exercise 14, lesson number 14 section 14.4 and example 5th. So this one is the 5th example, this is chapter 14.4 chapter 14. So I am writing the detail of this question on the board and I will explain this probability. Okay, how? Look here. See, first of all, this months are given, months and number of children born, number of students born, like this. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So number of students born in this month are given in this graph and explaining. See, look here. Okay, in this graph if you will see this, in January it is number 3, February it is 4, March it is 2, April it is 2, May it is 5, June it is 1, July it is 2, August is 6. Like this we have to write number of students. I am writing 3, 4, 2, then again 2, then 5, June is 1, July is 2, August is 6, then 3 in September, now October 4 and 4. Total number of students are 40. How? 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18, 19, 25, 28, 32, 36 and 40. These are the total number of the 40 students. Number of, we have to find the probability of number of students born in August. Here question is given. You have to find the probability of a student in a class was born in August. So we have to find the probability of student born in August. Find the probability of number of students born in August. So how many students born in August? Number of students born in August are, how many August students are there? 6. So we have to find the probability A, the number of students born in August upon total number of students. So probability A is equal to number of students born in August are 6 and total number of students are 40. We have done the addition and it is given in the question. 2 3s are 2 20s are 3 upon 20. Therefore probability A of number of born students in August is 3 upon 20. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is given here. Okay, what is the next question? I am explaining. See, question number 4. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies are given with a different outcome. 3 head are coming 23 times, two head is coming 70 times, one head is coming 77 times, and no head is coming 28 times. Okay, so let us see. Let me explain this question. Question number 4. Okay, total how many times the coins are tossed? Yes. Total outcome is 200 times. 3 coins are tossed 200 times. Okay. Now, outcome 3 heads, 2 head, 1 head, and no head. Possible outcome frequency is possible outcome. 3 head is coming 23 times, 2 head is coming 72 times, 1 head is coming 77 times, and no head is coming 23 times. Now if you add this, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 and 3 72, and this is 28, not this, so it is 28. Okay, 28. Now 3 plus 2 5, 5 and 7 12, 12 and 8 20, carry over 0, 0 carry over 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 and 7 11, 11 and 7 18, and 2, that means 20, that means 200 times. It is total 200 times. It is given in the question. We have to find the probability of, here it is given, if the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, complete the probability of 2 head coming. So how many times 2 head is coming? See, this question is given in the question. 2 head is coming, how many times? 72 times. Number of times 2 head is coming, how many times? 72 times. Total outcome is 200. So probability A is possible outcome, that is number of times 2 head comes upon total outcome. How many times 2 head is coming? 72 times. Total is 200. 2 hundreds are 2 36 are 2 18s are 2 50s are 2 25s are 2 9s are 9 upon 25. This is the probability of 2 heads coming in this event. What is this 3 head I am explaining? See, if you toss the 3 coin at a time, suppose the first coin has head, second coin also head, third coin also head. If you toss it again 3 times, first coin has head, second also head, and third will be tail. If you again toss this, head, tail, again head. If you toss it, head, tail, tail. Again if you toss, all 3 coins may be having tail. Again you toss, tail, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, head, tail. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means you are tossing 3 times. So all 3 head is coming. This probability is 23 times. 2 head. Where are the 2 head? Look here. 1 and 2 head here. 1 and 2 head here. 1 and 2 head here. So this one, and this one. 1 2 3 are coming in this probability. So it is coming 72 times. Only 1 head. Where is 1 head? This one head, here this one head, and here this one. So this type of event are coming in is 1 head. No head, here no head in this one. No head is coming. This type of all 3 tails are coming 28 times. Like this event you have to do. This is you have to do the sum. Okay.